is my first video from Dairy Air Diaries, new channel that I just started, and main focus is going to be pretty much the life of a milk truck driver and places, people, animals, weather conditions, roads, all that stuff, kind of stuff that we face. I'm located in Wisconsin, so that kind of tells you. And seeing as the ground is covered with the wonderful white stuff, that tells you what just happened yesterday. Got a couple inches of snow starting late morning all the way to the end of the day. And these country roads they get plowed, but they don't really get much more than that, unfortunately. So a little bit of dusting of sand. But like I said, main focus is going to be just pretty much anything and everything that milk truck drivers go through, and also the things that we get to enjoy, which, as you can see that from this area, the scenery is beautiful. Snow is not necessarily fun to drive in, but it's nice to look at it when it's on, coating all the trees, all the rolling hills. Wisconsin mountains is what I usually call them when they're that high. But just figured probably try to limit the talking as much as I can and just have you enjoy the scenery if that's the main focus of the video. This one being my first one, kind of give a little introduction. I've been doing this for just about 2 years. Had my CDL for just a tiny bit more than that. So I'm not a CDL veteran by any means, but people that are interested in possibly doing milk truck driving, I'll usually give some little tips and tricks and stuff that either I've experienced or learned, or other guys that I work with have told me. So one of these videos I will go through my backpack and what I take with me year round, and then also the seasonal items that I bring along in case crap hits the fan. One thing that I don't have in my backpack right now, but I should get one put back in there, is a hatchet. That has been invaluable with the storms we have around here and heavy snowfall. Last year we had trees and branches all over the place on my route, so I ended up having to chop through two 6 or 7 diameter trees because they fell right in my route and there was no other way to get through there. So at least not safely. It would have meant backing up about 4.5 miles to get back to where I came from. So the only option was to chop it, and I'm glad I had one of my dad's hatchets that I inherited. He kept that sucker sharp. So I'll stop talking for this next couple minutes here, just so you can enjoy the snow-covered hills. before I get to the top of this hill up here, I will wrap up this first video. But I hope that this is of interest to enough people to justify having this channel. Hope you all enjoy the beautiful scenery and the adventures that that I go on daily on this with this job. So I will try to get this video uploaded before Christmas. If not, hope you guys had a great Christmas. Merry Christmas.